And this neighborhood sits off of Northwest 56th Avenue, south of West Oakland Park Boulevard. Police actually believe that there were 3 shooting victims. 2 of them died from their injuries, but the incident certainly has people who live here rattled. A hail of bullets from what is believed to be a semi-automatic weapon is heard on a neighbor's surveillance camera system Wednesday night. Minutes later, police rushed in and found 2 men dead from gunshot wounds.
I didn't take it for anything until I heard more shots, and then I said to myself, that sounded like a shootout. So I'm really sorry.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Look at the screen in front of you. The so-called Jman, leader of the busted gang in Mobay. But an interesting fact about the youth, them have a faction of the busted gang in a sentence, and never talk about that in another video. But in a sentence with them there, enough of them are dead and enough things them are going with. And like I said, the youth are in run the so-called Mobay. But what is unique about this is Squash link with him. So that means Squash, the 6 on the bus of them are 1. And I thought we kind of figure out you have a couple different men body busted gang in a sentence and them go by the name Grimy Life or something like that. But I know that we are talking about a youth, Jman and how him get catch a foreign with the double murder and what them doing at Lord of it. So let's go. So we can picture the scenario in our mind. Squash pick it up on himself, and link man and man, and know say people not like him, and people know where I go on. But not only that, him also a hustle, and pretty much him a hustle out in the open. Anyways, something might go on with him, and then youth here, Jman pick it up on himself and go do some damage. And you see where I'm there. Now I talk to him, time I tell them how foreign stay, you know. Cause enough of them think say foreign a bed of roses. But me I tell them how foreign stay. But Squash take for himself. When Jman go do the thing, Squash never did it. Squash never did it, you know. So it seems like a Jman alone go around there with a big tall up. The report was like the man them was sitting outside and then spray them. But one of the man them touch him back. Can't call the man them half guard. You see me I say? And that one right there so. Now, I want to explain to them how foreign work and how foreign prison work and jail system abroad. You know, enough of the subscribers them and probably other people, them never go jail yet and never experience certain things. So them don't know, them see it from TV and say, okay, yeah man, I watch 60 days inside jail. Yeah man, I know about jail cause 60 days I watch on TV, A&E. No, it no go so. You see in America, you can't buddy with police. You understand? The policeman them do them job. You see when them come on crime scene, trained to observe everything. The evidence, the camera them, how people look, how them position, what them a say, and then track the evidence. Jman, you can't just shoot up a place, shoot some people, get shot, and then go to hospital in a no country and think say, yo, it okay. I know Jamaica, especially in America, I know Jamaica that. Them a go dust you for gunpowder. Them a give you a lie detector test. Them a go get your phone. Them a go look where your phone ping from. Them a collect evidence. Them a give you a DNA test. Them a document your DNA, put it in a database. But Jman, I think the reason why you get locked up is because you run up your mouth. It's because you run up your mouth and the people them talk on you too. That's why the police then roll you. In a foreign, especially America, unlike Jamaica, let me tell you, everything is investigated bit by bit by bit. Jman, them have 18,000 different police agency in America. Every city, every town, every state have them own police. Every county have them own police. And the federal government, the Justice Department, oversees all law enforcement. The FBI, they are a part of the Justice Department. So when you come on them place there, and like Jamaica, when you can just shoot it up, run this, that, then police are giving you information, and when you can hide out and this and that. No, them place here, them thoroughly investigate you. And them not gonna kill you now. They might catch you, and they might put you in a prison. And I say you're gonna live for the rest of your life. And I don't like Jamaica where them come out, the killer them and kiss police, shoot them down. No. You see America, Canada and them place there. Them like to catch you, put you on trial in a them public system, and then put you on ice in a them prison, and you not get out. I don't like Jamaica, you understand? And I saw America, Canada and them place to run. With that said, I want to see how that case play out, because you don't know. You have to have evidence and facts and them things in them place. I don't like Jamaica, but when youth is a testament to all go on in the world all over, especially in the Caribbean and especially in Jamaica. I know people always say, boy, countryman of this stuff, but me feel like neoliberalism mash up Jamaica. I explain that in another video. I'm not going to explain it here, so. And like I said before, Jamaica should have been a place where we could have go back to, set up business, do what we have to do, and feel welcome in our country because we're bright, we're smart, we achieve a lot of things in the world, and yet still we are one of the worst nations it comes to murder and stuff like that, it just doesn't make sense. So, me I suggest say, listen, universal income, social services, housing, education, healthcare, and that way we not for one of that for it. You see what I'm saying? And back to Jman. Him have himself in a bind, squash you. You better take sleep and mark death, like my mother used to say. Because right now you're in a pickle. And the feds are watching you. Yeah, I tell you that. Everything is documented. You understand? And them are watching you. So, be careful, Smash. I hope you understand the video, yeah? I'm gonna do a thing on the boss said gang in a sentence on next video. But my name is Countryman. Remember to like,